Hello, this is Ricardo, owner of Elite HVAC Contractors, and you might have heard about a mini split system, but you're not sure what a mini split system is. In this video, we'll go over the most common type of questions about a mini split system. Question number 1, what is a mini split ductless system? A mini split ductless system is a type of AC heating and cooling system that requires no ductwork and no venting inside your home. Mini split systems are not new, but they are gaining popularity because they are easy to install. They can also heat your home as well as cooling it. They can help you reduce your monthly electricity bill, and they are eco-friendly. Question number 2, who needs a mini split system? Someone that might need a mini split system inside their home is someone that has an older style home that was built when the need of AC system wasn't around. A lot of the homes that I install mini split systems, they do not have any other means of cooling their home, which means that they don't have a traditional forced air system. Question 3, what is the average cost for a mini split system and installation? Our most popular system is a 3-zone system, meaning we have 3 indoor units and 1 condenser outside your home. And for that type of system, you're starting at $25,000. Question number 4, what is the ongoing cost and service of a mini split system? Because it's higher efficiency than a traditional system, you'll be saving on your electric bill every month. How loud is a mini split system compared to a traditional system? The answer to that is that a mini split system is whisper quiet. When you compare it to a traditional system, it's like it's not even there. Would a mini split system be too noticeable inside my home? We have done a lot of mini splits inside vacation homes, beautiful homes. We understand that you spend a lot of time making sure your home looks nice and perfect inside. So we will work with you to find the best location to put a mini split inside your home. We could either do a ceiling cassette, or we can do a wall mount and go with a designer series. And we can even look into options like a mini ducted system if the space allows it. And we are sure that we can find a perfect solution for your comfort needs. How long does a mini split installation process take? After we finally gotten the approval of the HOA or your design review board, for our most common type of installation, which is 3 indoor units to 1 condenser, you're looking about a week from start to finish. One factor that determines how long the system is going to take to get installed is whether we can install the mini split indoor units near an exterior wall versus having to put them inside your home on an interior wall, which would require a little bit more work to take those lines outside. What are the differences between an exterior and an interior installation? The most common type of installations that we do are the exterior wall installation. That means that your mini split indoor unit goes closer to the exterior wall or on the exterior wall itself, which makes the process go a lot faster and smoother because after we mount the unit, we do all the work outside. It requires minimal drywall cutting. Would you be able to help us with the electrician, drywall, painter, dealing with the HOA and design review boards? And yes, the question to that is yes, we can definitely help you make this process as smooth and pain-free for you as possible. Our clients find that the added cost of us doing electrical, drywall, and painting is worth it because of the peace of mind it provides to them. They don't have to be chasing multiple contractors, dealing with different proposals. This gives them that extra peace throughout the project. How does a mini split system run differently compared to a standard system? The answer to that question is a Mitsubishi mini split system uses an inverted technology, which means it'll ramp up until it reaches temperature, and it will never be 100% off. It'll look at the indoor temperature and adjust the energy consumption compared to a traditional system, which is going to be on for a long period of time, then off. It doesn't matter if you need 1 degree of cooling or 2 degrees of heating. That's the main difference between the two systems. Because a mini split system runs this way, a lot of the time people call me and they say that the system is running. They see the outdoor motor blowing and they feel the indoor unit blowing air. But that's totally normal. That's what makes a mini split more efficient. And those were the most common type of questions that we get with a mini split system. If you still have any more questions or I wasn't able to answer any of your questions, go to our website. We have more information there, as well as a contact information sheet that you can fill out if you have any further questions.